Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing, we'll be doing a review on my brand new Dyson SuperSonic hair dryer. Let's get into it. So I'm just gonna pull it closer and we are gonna unbox this. Okay, we're gonna unbox it and let's just do this, okay? Oh, wee, look. So I just had to push the camera backwards so that you guys can see what I'm dealing with. So we are gonna do a review on this one. Oh, look at the packaging, y'all. Brand new. Nice packaging. Do you guys like smelling new things too? So anyways, I don't want to break it. It's so pretty. I don't even want to tear it. Okay, let's get into it, y'all. Let me not be stuffy. Sorry, guys. Okay. Guys, oh, look at this. This is fancy. So you get that. Oh, whoa, guys, I did not know it came with a diffuser. I didn't know that it came with a diffuser. I don't know how to use that. Gentle hair attachment. Okay, smoothing nozzle. These are one of my regular schmigglers. Okay, so styling, concentrator, smoothing nozzle. So I think that these two are gonna be my regular. And let's get into this, y'all. Look at that. So there it like tells you about all the different little nozzle things that fast that I know. So guys, as the days of our lives went on, I did some research on this and I found out like this is like one of the best hair dryers out there. It dries your hair fast. The heat, there's not that much heat damage, and it comes with all these goodies like wow, and they magnetic. Oh wow, another box. Okay, well, here we go. Look at that. This is quite hard. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the actual SuperSonic Dyson hair dryer. And look at that, it looks like a fan. Maybe I can use it as a fan, y'all. Okay, so, oh, it feels nice. It feels good. I like the, feel of it. I'm just going to put that down there. And then I want you guys to see, so this one that I've got in my hands right here, this one is the diffuser. So this one, I've been watching like, all these videos of girls doing their hair when it's wet. And they be like, doing that. And then the curls just like defines the curls. So I'm going to use this a lot too. I've never used a nozzle like this. And it's magnetic. So it's just gonna, so it just clicks. Oh, can you see that? I'm going to show you guys again, okay? So, look, it just goes on like that, and it's light. It's really light. It's really light, y'all. So, what's this? Look at this. It comes with a little mat, so I can, you know, put my Dyson, get my hairdryer on there. Dive in your life, open up. Okay, so there should be another 3/8. Yep, that's correct. And it says, hello and welcome to your new hairdryer. So visit the Dyson SuperSonic hairdryer owners page to visit and activate your warranty. So I'm gonna have to activate my warranty, yo! New technology, yo! Okay, I'll just check that over there. What does it say? So it's got does it have a wide comb? Oh no, so mine doesn't have a wide comb. So mine didn't come with that one. Can you see that? So mine didn't come with attachment. And I just want to see what it does, eh? So yeah. Okay. And then you can make my eyelashes full. Oh. And then we've got the fan. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And this one is called the gentle air attachment. So I'll give you a little demonstration also, because I have no idea what to do with that one. So I'll put it over there. And this is the last one, and this is called the smoothing nozzle. As you can see, it comes like that. And yeah, I wonder if this one's the same like that. Okay, so they're actually all the same in the middle. And I wonder, ooh, we're gonna have a competition though. We're gonna have a competition big time, because this one looks like I'll be using this one more, but this one says smoothing nozzle, and you know. And that's it with the little mat that we got, that we found, an extra surprise. So I'm gonna show you and give you guys a little demonstration. Okay, I also want to show you guys, okay, how long, I'm joking. So okay, let's just break this and see how long is the cord. Okay. Is it 2 meters? Or is it 1.5? Looks like it's about 2 meters long. Okay. So guys, we've got the smoothing nozzle on at the moment, and oh wow, so oh wow, look at that, y'all. Plus guys, this is the filter. See, filter, so you clean it out, give it a little wipe over there, and then yeah, stick it back in and you're good to go. I think that's good, y'all. That's very good.